Good morning, my sweeties. I don't know when was the last time I picked up my phone to vlog, actually. It's a Monday. We are off from work. And we are planning on... Why you go be in this fun?
I'm trying not to disturb your video.
I low-key felt like you were just coming here to show yourself.
No, that's it.
Yeah, it's a Monday. We are off from work and we want to go to the grocery store. And Apothecoyo, guys, my light just fell. Apothecoyo, we are in the mountains, so we only have one time, like not one time, but once per week to go and do groceries in town because it's like an hour and 20 minutes away.
It's a bit of a drive.
So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I'm busy doing my face. This is a toner from Ordinary. Love this brand so much. I'm gonna do my face, fix my hair, and then Sizuhamba. I feel like we're running late already because the time that we said we're gonna leave at it's 10 and now it's 10:10 already. It's fine, babe. Don't even fix that. I'm just gonna do this without the light. It's in my belly now. Let's put it here better. So yeah, guys, that is what I'm gonna do. I'll try and vlog for you because we're gonna go to the store, grocery store and cosmetics, and that should be it. And we need a bedding for our bed. Bedding, new covers, sheets, because we only have one. Thank you, babe. And now I'm gonna use niacinamide from the Ordinary also, and mine is 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc. Other people say it's too harsh for their skin because 10% is just too much, and I would rather use 5%. Okay, the light because it's not helping. And the mixer never Vaseline. Just so it can be diluted with something. I feel like you can just use it with your moisturizer also. It's not gonna be too harsh. That's it. Oh my god, I was doing a vlog for my TikTok and I'm thinking, do they even know that I moved to North Carolina? My bad. But yeah, guys, my season ended in Florida, my winter season, and I had to move to North Carolina, Sapphire to be specific. So this is where I am at the moment. I moved here on Thursday, which was the 29th of May, and today is the 1st of June, 2nd of June, 2nd of June. Yeah, it's the 2nd of June, and I've started work on Friday. I arrived here Thursday, started work Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So I had 3 days now since I have started work. I need to finish up. So that is what's up for you guys. And before I left Florida, I was browsing through TikTok and I saw this, they call it minoxidil. It's so helpful if you have hair loss, hairline actually, not even hair loss. Mostly I've been seeing people using it for their hairlines, and now I have joined the trend. Now it's 2 weeks since I have been using it. And shame I can see the difference because my hairline. But from now, I think it's the wigs because this never almost every week I am installing hair. And also I'm not too good in those things. The installer on my hairline, which is not good for my hair. Hence I started seeing damages and they pay like emaceling. But yeah guys, let me finish up here. I'll do my hair and then I'll catch you on the Aspuma Siamba. Because now I need to finish up. Time is not on my side. Let me show you how it looks now so that we can see the difference together. This is how I am looking now. This is 2 weeks though. And this side is like this. So yeah. You know what? I forgot to do my Amazing Jimmy Choo favorite cologne. Forever. Forgot to greet you guys and welcome you. Hey my lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Boo 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 boo. And don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, share this channel with your family, your loved ones, your boyfriend, your sister, your brother, your friends, so that they can also get a dose of your Nela. Okay, let me leave you guys. I'll talk to you. One thing I love though about working for the country clubs is this moving up and down. Florida to up north to Florida. The best. I feel like I'm a traveler. And that was one of my dreams. You didn't even say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog. You say I must say hello to your vlog. Hello, very wonderful
weird.
People.
Very weird. But yeah guys, this is us going to Asheville now. I won't really vlog on the way because we're gonna pick up some colleagues and then we're gonna be driving with them. Probably I'll talk to you when I get to Asheville and doing my grocery runs. So yeah guys, bye. Hey dolls, we just got to Ulta Beauty, actually Asheville, but I'm with people so it's so hard for me to vlog actually. But yeah, we're gonna start at Ulta Beauty. Yeah, I think we're gonna go to Walmart or Target, and from there so Baby It's Here and then Walmart, right?
Here then Walmart and then the Target.
Here Walmart and then Target. Definitely McDonald's after. One thing about Ulta Beauty though, you know, just come back at home. This is the same feeling we get. Passing up. Hey, passing up. You wanna grab everything, but on a budget though. But yeah, guys, I'll talk to you later. I was just here to get a toner and what else do I need? Niacinamide and yeah, let me look for those things and I'm gonna keep on updating you guys. this one.
Yeah.
Omkhulu okanye omncinci? I'm so hungry. Now we need to get bedding to change the one we have at home because we have one set. And
Like a king bed, right?
that's a king bed, yes. And it's not gonna work for us. Yep. That is king. I like I don't know what they call them.
Linen.
No, not linen.
This is microfiber.
Okay. Get back. Why are you doing that? Also, this one is dirty. Can you please grab this one, Lace?
I think it's the back that's dirty.
It's fine, baby. Let's take a clean one. You could have taken it because I'm vlogging already. He says this is microfiber and apparently it's the best, so I'm gonna believe him. Guys, I feel like a parent. And a parent, Sana. Yes, babe. The color we turned?
I don't mind. The color is nice too. 68.
Ooh. 75.
Which one?
I want this one.
Oh, this is a full queen. It's not a king.
The one behind you, it's a king.
75.
What?
Huh?
There's also a green that is on clearance. And this one. Maybe how about this one? If it's too dark, it's gonna make the room like
Dark.
yeah. You decide what you're gonna take.
No, because baby, I'm thinking I want to go and wash. So basically, for my $68.
Huh?
So with the time of $75 is okay. You tell everything there.
Yeah. So you take whatever you want.
So I'm thinking.
Guys, I want that bedding. Let me show you. It's so cute. But my thing is, I'm not talking about that. I want this bedding, right? And we've got a king bed. But the problem now is this. It's $75. And we don't even know if you're gonna get an apartment or a place. You taking that one? Okay. I think he has made his choice. this is our cut. We are spending nothing more than $300 here. So do you think what is on that card is gonna be less or it's gonna be more? I basically think it's more. Even $500 at this point. Let's go there, babe.
Tucked away behind my seat. If I get pulled over, I'll pretend it's not for me.
Yo, you lying, babe.
There's a problem here, but it's not yours, it's his. And every day he'll wake up longing for your kiss. There's gotta be more to live for in a lonely town like this. The stores are closing, and friends have lost their shirt. Although I know it's fucked up here, it probably could be worse. I count my blessings, I guess I'm lucky I've got the work. And it seems like we're happy, at least I know we were. There's so many things to be angry about, and my phone won't ring unless I call you out. But the kids seem good and that'll do for now. There's gotta be more in store for this lonely town. Set my hands down on the table and just breathe. No one's forcing me to stay, but I can't leave. And I keep doing what I can to find relief. Just stay with me. Let's be honest with each other from now on. And I took things for granted, now so much is gone. And I keep treading water, trying not to drown. I miss the people I know in this lonely town.
Medium.
What'd you drink?
That's orange.
I hope they know
Can I get a Big
I
Mac?
love them,
A meal?
even if I'm not there now.
What'd you drink?
Coke.
Coke. Please, no pickles in both, huh?
No pickles?
In both, yeah.
No pickles? What else for you?
Can I get 2 ranch?
What else for you?
And that'll be it.
It'd be $21.54.
Thank you. Cheers.
One thing about Simi, he doesn't say bless me when I'm sneezing. If there
Bless
were
you,
people
baby.
behind me or next to me, they were gonna say bless me. Yeah, nah, I shame. Mine.
No. Oh, buzzing on the table.
ABC liquor store. But yeah, guys, we are done with whatever we came here for. I just hope this vlog it's gonna be what I'm planning on it to be, because woman abantu and vlogging is just not cute. But hopefully it's gonna come out nice. And yeah, we're going home now. Baba. Going home now. I'll talk to you guys when I get home. I'm not gonna do an unboxing because I think I've showed you guys everything that I bought. So yeah, see you later. Guys, I wanna pee so bad. Woman, that's one. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hi, my dolls. Back at home again. And I think you guys should just get used to this because the only nice lighting in this house, it's the bathroom. And that's where most of my content is gonna come from.
Let's eat from a glass of ice.
This is all Misanin. So all Misanin.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Something, yeah.
When are we using the laxatives? Tomorrow morning? Like tomorrow morning.
Now I need overnight.
So this is the only place the lighting in the house engati iya popa corner, and I'm gonna be doing most of my videos here. Kumnyama that side, I can't do it there. Came back, and when we got back, we received our package from Amazon. It's nothing fancy though, it's just work shoes for me and my hubby. We bought this from Amazon. Before I hack myself, let me close this. This is the packaging. And these, I don't know who these are for. Maybe. Okay, these are mine. Oh, they look so pretty. So these are the shoes that I got. It's running shoes and they are non-slippery also. Hence I bought them because emsebenzini 2 times I have slipped. So these are for me. Love them loads, Kesana. And then I believe these ones says Gasini. Safety shoes. Yo, why isn't Chinese Ako Papa? As not in shape. Okay, but these are simis. They are so heavy. Ha! This is like easy for work. And I think they are also non-slippery because they are rubberish here at the bottom. Okay guys, that's it from a package on Amazon. And then now I wanted to unbox. I'm not gonna unbox the groceries with you because I feel like I did that at the shop. Just the shoes. And then we got these from Ulta Beauty. This was so unplanned. So unplanned. What?
Steel toe.
Do you like them? They're so heavy though.
It's steel toe.
Don't let go.
Especially for my surgical ankle.
But why are they so heavy?
Because of the steel toe in front. Touch it.
Oh shit. So from Ulta Beauty, I bought this moisturizing cream for myself from The Ordinary, and I'm out of toner. Not really out though, but I just knew I'm not gonna go to the shops anytime soon, and this is where we are, Lena, so I need to buy another one for myself. And then for Simi, and as well as Skin Sake, I've been using these products Actually, he has been using this product, Anyazi. The Glow Lover. Bought this from Amazon. And they have been doing so good. But lately, his skin's like a break. So I don't know what happened. I don't know actually. So now we're gonna use La Roche-Posay. Fancy. So we got a purifying foaming cleanser and a lotion moisturizer. Oh, the Cetaphil. And then we're gonna use this one as a scrub for Yena. We are fighting those black spots, those pimples, uneven tone. We are fighting that. So yeah, these are for him, and this also is for him. I do have my skincare nuggets already from The Ordinary. I'm not gonna change anytime soon. I might change to La Roche-Posay though. I love this brand so much, and I've had good compliments, good reviews about it. So yeah, I'm not gonna open this because it's not mine. He also bought this cologne. Oh, is it by Drake? Summer Mink cologne by Drake. Anyway, it's fine. You're gonna open it, but
Open it.
you sure?
Yeah.
You wanna do an unboxing for your TikTok?
It will be in a box. I just don't do the unwrapping.
Okay, so let's unbox this. I don't even know how this looks, but it smelled so good though when he made me smell it. Ooh, fancy. So here it's saying Better World Fragrance House. Summer Mink. And he bought 3.4 ounce. This is how we open it. Baby, this is so cute. Oh. And this is the perfume cologne. Okay. Ah, this smells so good. The sweet and floral. This smells so good. So yeah guys, this is not even mine, but I'm unboxing it. Sana uthanda izinto. Let me put it back. So yeah, Summer Mink by Drake. First time seeing this and hearing about that, but uchiwo, okay? Oh, we also bought the corrector, dark spot corrector from the same brand for Simi. Cannot wait to show you guys the results because the skin salaputi. It's just showing off these days. City. Baba. This smells so good. Oh, we also got bubble gums and Essence lip gloss. Love this so much, especially layer grayish silver. I used to buy this a lot back home. Clicks. Yeah, and that was it. This moisturizer I swear on it. This one. I'm trying the wash, body wash also, but the moisturizer, I love it so much. Hey my dolls, it's a few more days later after I shot the first clip that you guys saw, and it's a Monday again. I don't know where we're going. My man is taking me out to a waterfall. So excited. So yeah, we're gonna go there, take some few pictures, go and grab something to eat. I just had something to eat now, but I don't know why they pinned and different but different again. Something to eat, and then I'm gonna have something to drink. I just wanted to open this vlog and do this young intro. I will catch you guys when we get there. Bye.
Because they even everything they do is different from Christianity, from other churches.
But they still believe in it. To get to the waterfall. I'm not really happy about that. But now we just passed someone and they said it's not too far, so I'm okay. We live in phone, so he had to go back and grab it. And now I'm gonna wait for him. Look at that! Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go down. I am so excited. My man. Oh my goodness. It just started raining also. Guys, I've never seen a place beautiful like this waterfall. I mean, okay, well now you can't see it properly, but
So much. Okay. Always and forever.
oh baby.
Okay. Now, I love you so much. Let's go. Let's go grab a drink.
Yes.
I want to tell people that there is.
Bye baby, I don't do that.
Do you want to go close to home to stereo or something? You want to go somewhere else?
Yeah guys, I wanted to go inside and show you our small mini supermarket angles, but kuyanetha and I cannot. My hair is going through everything already, so I'm not about to do that to my hair. But he went inside to buy a steak. We want to make steak and fries tonight. Actually, the plan was to go and eat out, but yeah, you had that. I don't think it is a funa uyoja out, so he recommended to come and buy a steak apa, and then I think we might go to the liquor store. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think we might go to the liquor store on the other side of the road and grab something there to drink. Otherwise, I will talk to you guys at home. There's a lot that we need to unpack. There's a lot, guys, but I'm just so happy, man. I think ever since that Galujola, this is the happiest I've ever been. This man, guys, Usimi is so romantic. One thing about my man, he is so romantic, and I love that for him. Love it for him so much. But yeah, I'll tell you about everything that happened today on Fikendlini, and then we might cook together, make the steak. I think he might make the steak though, but I'm gonna help where I can. So yeah, guys, bye.
He was the one bullying me.
Nope. This is where we stay. Hey, hey, hey. Why is this man even leaving me? I don't think I ever showed you guys where we stay here. So that was just an overview. And this is Mommy and Daddy's room. And did it just switch on the lights for you guys? Such a nice place, man. This is Simi's side. This is my side. And that over there is me, child. And I'm wearing my... my whatever. We are back home. Simi met friends at the liquor store, and they invited him to go and join them. Bayasela. One is from KZN, one is from Eastern Cape in Tata. But I don't know. I don't think we're gonna go. But if we do go, nice. Okay, we're gonna go and make something to eat now. And then later I'm gonna come back and have a sit down video with you because we need to debrief, honey. There's a lot going on. We need to debrief. We need to talk. So yeah, we're gonna go and cook now. I'll probably talk to you guys when I am done. Yeah, the weather is so gloomy and angry, but it's a nice day to be in bed though. That's one thing I know. Bye.
Veo en tus ojos mi vida pasar y se extraña si lo cierro. Y si mañana nos toca no estar, miro al cielo y te veo. Pero ya sé que no voy a olvidar tu perfume de febrero. Cuando la noche me venga a buscar, que me lleve con tu viento. Y si la noche me viene a buscar, que me lleve con tu viento. Vengo a tu lado y mi vida pasa. Ya lo creo, ya lo creo.
She said he didn't want my food.
Y si mañana nos toca no estar, miro al cielo recuerdo, yo no puedo. Pienso en tu rostro y no puedo evitar ver mi sueño, ver mi cielo. Ya sé que no voy a olvidar tu perfume de febrero. Y cuando la noche me venga a buscar, que me lleve con tu viento. Y si la noche me viene a buscar, que me lleve con tu viento. Y si la noche te viene a buscar, que te lleve con mi viento. Y si la noche me viene a buscar, que me lleve con tu viento. Y si la noche me viene a buscar, que me lleve con tu viento.
It was just too much. Nyamengaka. Let's see how. Ooh, yumsy. I'm about to take a shower. I'm so lazy, but I need to wash my hair. Imdaka. Usemukhalisa umculo, and I'm hoping it's not too loud apha kule video. Ndizonika into copyright on TikTok. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go and take a shower. Hence I'm wearing this beach towel, but I think they are drying now. Take a shower, wash my hair, dry my hair. I need to go to bed early. I am working at 10:30 tomorrow morning. Not cute. So yeah guys, I think I'll come back after the shower and close off this vlog because it's way too long now. Guys, I just finished bathing and I think the time now is past 9 to 10, almost at 11, past 9 to 10, and I need to dry my hair quick. My hairline is getting there kodwa. Hey, but it's not man scalp. Maybe I need to just see undo odilane nwele. I don't know what you guys call that, but I need a hair technician. So I'm recommending something for my scalp. So I go dry kakhulu. Because what I say dry bangathi zimdaka inwele zami. But even those white things are still here, but in the slammer, I think 3 times in the shampoo. Ish. But anyway, let me dry my hair and go to bed because I'm working tomorrow. Umsebenzi is gonna be the death of us one day. I love money, but to go to work, child, that is just too much for me. But I like using this and just so it can act as and it's so nice in my hair. It's a heat protector upper enweleni zami because I currently do not have one, and I don't like using the for my hair, for my wigs. Sorry, because I feel like that one is good for Yeah, let's eat.
But it didn't turn out that way. It's been heavy and we're starting to break, but I hope you'll be okay. There's little difference in the words that we say, 'cause we all want the same thing. The sun still rises in her usual way to welcome the new day. I don't feel it anymore, and I know I'm not the same. I'll keep trying to put it on, but I'm fading away. I'm staring out into a whole new space where I know I should feel safe. My heart is breaking and this look on my face shouldn't look this way again. So much confusion in this theater of pain with the roles we all play. I'm standing up and I don't care what it takes. I don't care what they say. I keep staring at the floor, and I'm tired of these games.
Bye.